Hello, how are you doing?
Good.
I would like to interview you. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So, for starters, I would like to know what your name is.
Julie Damascus.
Awesome. So, what is your favorite thing in the whole wide world?
Vampires and you.
Oh, thank you, thank you. High five. You're awesome. So, what do you like about vampires?
They go
Oh, do they? Who's your favorite vampire?
Spike.
Spike? From Buffy the Vampire Slayer? Awesome. Can I see your bracelet? Oh, let me see. Let me see. So, I hear that Spike's trapped in there, huh?
Cassie?
See, I think I see Spike in there. Pretty awesome.
He's moving?
Yep. Sit down.
He's trying to go to bed and he can't. He could hear us?
Yeah. So, have you had any awesome dreams about vampires, or is just
Dinosaurs.
and dinosaurs
And vampires.
and vampires?
The vampire was going to the dinosaur and the dinosaur stepped on the vampire.
He did?
Yeah.
Holy smokes! That sounds awesome.
And then and then the vampire went under the ground and he came back up and he was drowning and he bited the dinosaur and it was a dinosaur vampire.
Oh wow! So he turned into a dinosaur vampire once the vampire bit him. That's awesome. That's awesome.
And they poked his tongue with a stick.
With a stick? Oh, I see. That's great.
That's his fangs.
Yeah.
And that's his teeth.
Awesome. So you love vampires. Who got you into vampires?
Vampire Slayer.
A vampire slayer? Mm.
And about your little baby too.
My little baby? Yeah, Sebastian is the coolest. Let's look at Sebastian real quick. There goes Sebastian. She's chilling there, watching over everything, making sure everything's cool.
Why he's not moving?
Because, sit down, I'm interviewing you, silly.
He is sleeping?
Yes. He sleeps with his eyes open. So, who else besides Spike is your favorite vampire?
Spike turned Buffy into a robot and she kissed him. And he said, bloody hell.
That's your favorite thing he says? I like that part too. So, how old are you again?
5.
You're 5 years old and you love vampires.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, give me a high five because you're totally awesome. You're my little protege. So say
Stop looking at me.
He's not looking at you, silly.
He's looking at you?
Yeah, he's looking at me. So thank you for the interview. You're very helpful. And are you going to keep on loving vampires forever?
An angel too.
An angel too? You can only have one. I want one too.
Okay, we could share angel.
Share angel, you silly rascal. Okay, say goodbye. Thanks for the interview.
Bye. I love vampires.
Woohoo! Bitches.
Deuces.
Okay, Kitten. So, I'm going to interview you and you're going to tell me...
That's delightful.
That's delightful. I'm going to interview you and we're going to talk about the most favorite things you like, right? Is it comfortable? Okay. Let's talk about one of your favorite things in the whole wide world.
Vampires.
Vampires, yes.
Anonymous.
Anonymous.
And Buffy.
Yes, and Buffy. So I wanted to I wanted to tell you. Okay, you gonna answer?
And then
You gotta let me talk.
wait a second.
Hello, how are you doing?
Good.
I'm gonna interview you today. My name is Nisi Kitty. I'm also your most favorite person in the world. Tee. So, let's start it off with how are you doing?
Good.
You good? So, what's your name?
Julie Masket.
Also known as Kitten, my little kitten boo. How old are you?
Hi.
5 years old. So tell me now, who is your most favorite vamp in the world?
Spike and Buffy kissing.
Okay. Spike and Buffy kissing. That's great.
And he said bloody hell.
That's your favorite line? Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. So why is Spike your favorite?
Because he's in my crystal.
He's in your crystal?
And I wish he will come to my window and kiss me.
Oh, you're so silly. You have a little baby crush on him? That's cute. Now you're shy? Okay. So in saying that, have you had any like cool dreams lately?
A dinosaur was the vampire went to the dinosaur, and the dinosaur stepped on him, and he went the other way, and then he got out, and he bited the dinosaur, and he turned into a dinosaur vampire.
Awesome. Awesome, awesome. I just love your dreams. High five, because you have the best dreams ever. So, as you just said that Spike was your favorite vampire, right? And his favorite line that you like is what again? Kissing Buffy? You're so silly. Oh, when saying bloody hell. Okay, okay. So you don't want that on the camera? I just want to thank you for taking this time out to have this interview with me. You totally rock. Is there anything else you want to say? What's that?
I love you very much.
Oh, I love you too, baby.